Some major hosting companies like Bluehost are now starting to use a service called Simple Scripts to install your WordPress website. Now for this video, if you've already installed it using Fantastico, like we already showed you, which is the most common right now, then you can just skip this video. But if you have not installed it because you could not use Fantastico, then this will show you how to use a service called Simple Scripts. You're going to log into your control panel area just the same, and you're going to scroll down to where it says software and services, and you're going to look for something that says Simple Scripts. Simple Scripts, it'll be like a blue logo with two carrots going left and right. And what you're going to choose here is you just want to go up here and you want to just set up your website. So you just want to go to blogs and you want to go to WordPress, and then you just want to choose install. And then what you want to do is you want to choose the domain that it's in. So typically it'll be the main one that you've selected. So just plug that in there. Make sure that it's set at www. As far as advanced options go, choose click here to display. It'll say please give your new site a name. So go ahead and call it the name of the product, just like in the last video. Again, this step is something you only need to do if you did not install it in the last step because you did not have Fantastico. As far as your username and password, you want to make sure you put one in that you will remember. Then choose automatically create new database. After you've read the terms and condition of that license, click that. Then simply choose complete. And it's going to take just a moment to install here. It'll tell you even the status as it goes. It's very similar to the other one though. And once it's completed, it will let you log in and access it. Just like with Fantastico. So notice how it installed it just the same. So there you have it. There's the website again using Simple Scripts. So now in the next videos, we're going to go through the process showing you how to set this up, how to set up your WordPress site, how to optimize it so you can actually maximize your earnings potential with this new website venture. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up WordPress and install it on your website using Fantastico, which comes pre-installed on most hosting companies. If you're going to use HostGator, which is recommended here, then what you would do is just log into your HostGator cPanel or control panel as it's called. They will help you get this information. If for some reason you cannot find this in your email, give them a phone call. Their phone number is right on their website at hostgator.com. They have 24/7 support, 24 hours, 7 days a week. Typically you can reach them. So go ahead and call them, find out how to access that. Typically it's going to be the main website domain that you've registered with a / and then cPanel. It's usually what it's going to be. So what you're going to do is log into your cPanel, and it's going to look like this, or at least somewhat similar. So what you're going to do is scroll down to where it says software and services, and you want to choose Fantastico Deluxe. Fantastico Deluxe. After that, what you want to do is go to blogs on the left hand side and select WordPress. Then after that, you want to choose new installation, and then you would just want to choose your domain, which typically it's going to be the main domain, but maybe something else. So choose your domain and install in directory. Just leave that blank because that's going to install it in the main folder. As far as admin access goes, you want to just choose admin. Then for password, put in a password that you want to use. Admin nickname, I usually just keep that at admin, or you could use your name. The email, we're just, this will be an email that is, people can access you at, just your basic email. Your site name, this is where I'd put in the name of the product it is that you are promoting. So let me just plug that in here. And you could add blog to the end of that, and you can always come back in and change this part. Then just simply choose install WordPress. After that, it's going to ask you in step 2 of 3, it's going to tell you that a MySQL database is going to be created. Then that's okay. So you just want to choose finish installation. And there you have it. Your website is actually now set up. So it's going to tell you the full area where you can go to actually log in, and it's going to give you username and the password that you've selected. So you can just click on that, and you can see that in literally minutes I've now installed WordPress on this site. So I've now completely installed WordPress on here. There it is. So now we're going to go to the next step of the process, which is to work on configuring the website. So we're ready to move on to the next phases, which is going to put money in your pocket with this system.